If you want to hard reset your Realme 14T via recovery mode, then first of all we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then move the white circle towards the power off option. Now let's wait for the device to completely turn off, and after that you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button, and we need to keep holding it until we see the Realme logo, and also in the bottom left corner you will see recovery mode. So let's press and hold both buttons, the power button and volume down, and as you can see in a short while, first we will see the Realme logo, and there we go, at the bottom we can read we are going to recovery mode, so we can release both buttons now. Now let's wait patiently for the recovery mode to appear. There we go. Over here we can choose English, and then we have the format data option, so we need to choose it, enter the code that we have over here in order to proceed, and this is how we can factory reset our Realme 14T by using recovery mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.